Rise with the rooster. A chef's day begins. The alarm clock blares, it's 5 a.m. The world outside is still cloaked in darkness, but for me, the day has already begun. I take a moment to savor the quiet before the storm, sipping my coffee and mentally preparing for the day ahead. Another day, another culinary adventure. Each day in the kitchen is a new chapter in an ever-evolving story. The ingredients laid out before me are like words on a page, waiting to be crafted into a masterpiece. As a Michelin-Star chef, my life revolves around the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every dish, every plate, every garnish must be flawless. The standards are high, and the expectations even higher. There's no room for error, no time for excuses. The kitchen is a place of precision and discipline. Every movement, every action is calculated and deliberate. The clock is always ticking, and the pressure is always on. The satisfaction of seeing a dish come together perfectly, of watching a guest take their first bite and seeing the delight on their face, that's what makes it all worth it. My name is Jean-Pierre, and for the past 20 years I've poured my heart and soul into my restaurant Le Petit Bijou. It's more than just a place to eat, it's a place where memories are made. The kitchen is where I express myself, where I bring my visions to life. It's a place of creativity and innovation, where the only limit is my imagination. Each day brings new challenges and opportunities to push the boundaries of gastronomy. The kitchen is a place of endless possibilities. The kitchen is my battleground and my team is my army. Together we face the challenges of the day, working in unison to create something extraordinary. We're a tight-knit unit, bound by a shared passion for excellence. We support each other, push each other, and inspire each other to be the best we can be. Today, like every other day, we'll wage war against mediocrity, armed with our knives, our skills, and our unwavering dedication. The stakes are high and the pressure is intense, but we are ready. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air as I step into my kitchen. It's the fuel that ignites my creativity, the elixir that prepares me for the long hours ahead. As I take that final sip, I am ready. Ready to face the challenges, to embrace the opportunities, and to create something truly extraordinary. This is my life, my passion, my calling. This is the life of a chef. Market bounty, sourcing the finest ingredients. By 6 a.m. I'm out the door and on my way to the local farmers market. The early morning light casts a golden hue over the city, and there's a sense of calm and anticipation in the air. Here, amidst the vibrant colors and earthy scents, I source the freshest, highest quality ingredients for my dishes. From plump heirloom tomatoes to fragrant herbs, each item is carefully inspected and selected. It's a meticulous process, but one that ensures only the best ingredients make it to my kitchen. The market is a sensory overload. The vibrant hues of the produce, the earthy scent of fresh vegetables, and the lively chatter of vendors and customers create an atmosphere that is both chaotic and exhilarating. I move from stall to stall, greeting familiar faces and inspecting the day's offerings. Each visit is a reunion of sorts, a chance to catch up with the farmers and producers who work tirelessly to bring these ingredients to market. My relationships with these local farmers and producers are crucial. They are the backbone of my culinary creations, providing the raw materials that I transform into dishes that delight and inspire. As I carefully place each selected ingredient into my basket, I can already envision the dishes they will become. Walking through the market with my basket in hand, I feel a deep sense of satisfaction. This is where the magic begins, where the journey from farm to table starts. With my basket full of the finest ingredients, I head back to the kitchen, eager to start the next phase of the culinary adventure. And so, from the bustling farmer's market to the calm of the kitchen, the journey of sourcing the finest ingredients comes full circle. Each dish is a celebration of the land, the farmers, and the culinary artistry that brings it all together. Kitchen Symphony, orchestrating culinary precision. Back in the kitchen, the day shifts into high gear. My team is already hard at work, prepping ingredients and setting up stations. The air buzzes with a quiet intensity as knives fly across cutting boards, pots simmer on the stove. Organization is paramount in this high-pressure environment. Each member of my team knows their role and executes it with precision. The kitchen is a well-oiled machine, with each part working in perfect harmony. Briefing the brigade teamwork makes the dream work. At 10 a.m., we gather for our daily team meeting. This is a crucial part of our day. a moment where we all come together to align our goals and strategies. We discuss the day's menu, address any concerns, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Communication is key in this fast-paced environment. I run through the lunch and dinner reservations, highlighting any special requests or dietary restrictions. This helps us prepare in advance. We discuss the flow of service, anticipating potential bottlenecks and ensuring a seamless experience for our guests. Each team member has a voice, and I encourage open dialogue and collaboration. We share our thoughts, our concerns, and our ideas. The success of our restaurant hinges on the strength of our team. We are more than just colleagues. We are a unit, working together to create something special. This daily ritual reinforces our unity and sets the tone for the day ahead. It reminds us of our purpose and our commitment to excellence. After the meeting, we move to our stations, preparing our ingredients and setting up for the day. This is a time of focus and concentration. Throughout the day, we work together, each of us playing our part in creating the dishes that will delight our guests. At the end of the day, we come together to celebrate our successes and reflect on what we can improve. This is a time of camaraderie and pride. After the kitchen is clean, we often share a meal together. This is a time to relax, to enjoy each other's company, and to bond as a team. As we say goodbye at the end of the day, we know that we are part of something special. We are a team, and together we can achieve anything.